Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy, because cocktails don't have to be complicated. Today we're taking a look at a gin and tonic alternative using a nice soft subtle gin and using a alternative to tonic water, especially for those of us who are trying to cut sugar from our diets. If you haven't heard of Oxley Gin, it's a fantastic new cold distilled gin that has all of the flavor of a traditional gin while also being quite a bit more rounded out than your traditional gins that you might be familiar with that a lot of people sometimes find overpowering. When you combine it with Lagunitas hop seltzer, which has become one of my new favorite non-alcoholic things to drink, you have a fantastic alternative to the classic gin and tonic. So without any further ado, let's make a cocktail. To build the better gin and tonic, we're going to start with 1.5 ounces of Oxley gin. Add on in some of the Lagunitas hop seltzer. Give that a quick, slow stir. Now, anytime you're using something with a lot of carbonation, you want to be careful not to stir too quickly, otherwise you're going to excite all the carbonation and make a mess. And last but not least, we're going to garnish this with a lemon. Now, if you love limes, you can go ahead and use limes. However, limes are rarely used as one of the botanicals in gins. So if you're a purist, oftentimes you'll find people using lemons instead of limes. But if you want a contrasting citrus element into your better gin and tonic or any sort of thing using gin, check out a lime. But if you've never used a lemon, I highly recommend doing it. And there you have the better gin and tonic. I love this combination of flavors. When you have two things that have a lot of elegant simplicity and a lot of nuance, you just allow them to dance together. That's oftentimes the problem with tonic, is anything that's subtle in the gin arena just gets buried. Check it out, let us know what you think, and cheers from Drinks Made Easy.